So what do you have to say for many CA aspirants?
Nothing is difficult, sir. Only the way, as you told in the beginning, nobody has good or bad memory. It is how we use it or how we train it. So how we train it and or how we look at the subject, it matters a lot.
Okay. Yes, Sandhya madam, start.
Okay, so I'm going to tell about, like, we have a chapter foreign exchange management account. So in that there are specified limits for an individual to use foreign currency. So RBI will set this regulation. So every individual for the following purposes, they can use up to 250,000 US dollar. The first one is for a private visit to any country except Nepal and Bhutan. And second one is for gifts and donation. And the third one is for going abroad for employment. And next one is immigration. And after that, like taking care of your family and relative, and attending meeting, seminar, or any training in abroad. And after that, then for medical expenses and treatment abroad. And after that is for higher education in abroad. And the last one is any other current account transaction. These are the for which we can use US dollars up to 250,000.
Fantastic. So this comes under which schedule?
Schedule 3, sir.
Fantastic. Give madam a big round of applause.
Thank you.
Superb, ma'am. Great job. On dot. Everything you memorized on dot, and you told me the complete one-page answer in just 1 to 2 minutes. Yes, ma'am. What clarity you got now? How easy it was following this method and memorizing the whole your CA concept of schedule 3? How easy it was?
Yeah, it's very easy, sir. Like I can use it for even more difficult things. So picture we don't forget. As you told, our brain loves images, pictures. So whenever I get stuck, I can just close my eyes and look it as a story or a picture what I made. So it definitely
yes. And here the beauty is you didn't create any story.
Yes. So no need to create a story. That will take a lot of time.
I told you I will teach you techniques without creating stories.
Right.
You don't have to create story every. Yes. Perfect. Yes, ma'am. What clarity you got and how fast it was? How is your retention compared to before? See, if at all you didn't join my memory classes, and if at all you had to memorize this whole concept, how much time would you take and how much time you took today?
Maybe more than half an hour, 40 minutes. And then also, like, after 2 or 3 days, I'll forget everything. So now I will not be. I will be able to remember for a longer time.
Yes. So how much time did you take to memorize this? Earlier 40 minutes you told. Now?
No, I think not even 3-4 minutes. Just to make that picture initially to get the idea, and then I think for other topics I can make this. Like I showed you, now I have some small piece of papers in that. For every topic I can make this.
Fantastic. But how is your retention? Earlier 40 minutes, what would be your retention, and today how is your retention?
I think I will never forget this, sir.
Never.
It's like relating this to the real scenario. Just reading text is like we forget. So if we are making something association and making the picture, I think our brain will remember it forever.
So what clarity you got, ma'am, after learning this technique, and how many more concepts you will memorize? How confident are you today?
So in this chapter, it's a small chapter, sir. So I think today, within half an hour, if I have time, or tomorrow, I'll finish all the concept to make the picture and I'll send it to you.
So how is your confidence level today after learning?
Great, sir. Because this chapter carries a lot of marks. Like in 3 chapters, we get 30 marks. So 10 marks easily I'll get this in fail.
Brilliant. So what do you have to say for many CA aspirants? They say CA is a tough subject. We can't do it. We can't crack it. We can't memorize it. What do you have to tell them?
So nothing is difficult, sir. Only the way, as you told in the beginning, nobody has good or bad memory. It is how we use it or how we train it. So how we train it and or how we look at the subject, it matters a lot. So everything, if we simply think it is theory, I cannot remember anything. It will be, our brain will say, okay, you can't remember it, just forget it. So if we make like all these techniques and make it like more fun and engaging, so our brain will love that.
So how confident are you that you will crack your CA exam?
More than 100%, sir.
Brilliant. Thank you, Reshma, for sharing and participating.
Yes, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.